Hello everyone, I'm Chef Annie Michael. Welcome to my channel. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button. Do you have a meal challenge? Leave a comment. If it tastes good, eat it. In this episode, I'm going to show you how I make my Agoyin beans with sweet potato using my calm all-purpose seasoning. Here I have my honey beans, popularly known as Agoyin beans. Then I have my sweet potato, which I already peeled and cut into chunks. My calm all-purpose seasoning, dried chili, salt, ground crayfish, palm oil, and chopped red onion. To purchase any of this seasoning, please check the description section, click the link and we'll deliver to your doorstep worldwide. Now let's begin. I pour in 2 cups of water. Then I add some of the chopped red onion. Half a teaspoon of salt. Mix together and allow to cook for about 40 minutes. The beans is ready, it's soft and it's dry. Next, I'm going to fry the sweet potato. I put in half a teaspoon of salt, then I add half a teaspoon of calm all-purpose seasoning. Mix together. Then I preheat the oil and toss in the sweet potato when it's hot enough. Then allow to fry for just about 3 minutes. At this point, the sweet potato is already cooked because it doesn't really take long to fry. But I'm gonna leave it a little while longer because I like mine golden brown and crunchy on the outside. Now I'm going to make my Agoyin sauce. I pour in my palm oil into the pan. I heat it up for like 2 to 3 minutes. Add my chopped red onion. Then I add 3 teaspoons of dried chili. You could add more or less depending on how hot or mild you want it. And of course, a teaspoonful of calm all-purpose seasoning. Then I add half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ground crayfish. Mix together and allow to fry for about 4 minutes and it's ready. Now I'm going to plate it nicely just so it looks pretty. I'm using a small size round cutter. You can use any one of your choice or you could just serve it like that. Press down to level it up and then you make a small hole in the middle so the oil can sit in properly. Gently remove the cutter so it doesn't squash. Then repeat steps as much as you desire. But I'm stopping at 3. Gently fill up the holes with the sauce. Then I add my fried sweet potato. Ready to eat. Don't you just love this? Doesn't this look pretty? Thank you so much for watching. Please come back next Saturday for more exciting recipes. My name is Chef Annie Michael. Remember, if it tastes good, eat it.